Look at this circle. How many parts does it have? Let's count the parts to this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the circle has 5 parts. Each of these parts will be called 1/5. So let's label the fifths in this circle. We have 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. So if I'm talking about 1/5 of the circle, then I'm talking about any of these 1 parts. It could be this 1/5. It could be this 1/5 over here. I could be talking about this 1/5 over here. It doesn't matter which one. If I say 1/5 of the circle, I'm talking about one of these 5 parts. So when I'm talking about 1/5 of the circle, the 1 on the top means how many parts I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at 1 part. This bottom number tells me how many parts I have all together. 1 of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. So now we know what 1/5 looks like. Let's see what 2/5 look like. Okay, take a step back. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts all together, and I want to focus on just 2 of them. 1/5, 2/5. 1, 2 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, let's do one more. This time we'll look at 3/5 of the circle. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. That's 1, 2, 3 parts of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa! Okay, let's review. So, when I'm talking about the parts, how many are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. What do I call just one of these parts? I call it 1/5. That means it's one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, so show me what 2/5 would look like. I'm going to imagine it. Did you color in 1, 2 parts? Good. That means you colored in 1, 2 of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. You colored in 2/5. Okay, I changed it up. How much of this circle did I shade in? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, and I've colored in 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. That means I've colored in 4/5. Did you get the same answer?